Alright, welcome back. It's your boy Javon Bryson. And I was reading through the comments of my previous video when I came across this comment by Binary Value. What they asked was, is there a way to move a Metamask account with unmovable assets like StrongNode over to a Ledger wallet? And that got me thinking, like, is that actually possible? So your boy scoured through the internet, getting all the information together, and what I came across is, yeah, you actually can. On top of that, it's not that difficult. It's actually fairly simple. Matter of fact, I'm gonna even show you how to do it. All right, guys, now the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna plug in your ledger. Let that load up a little bit. And you're gonna set it up as restore from a recovery phrase. All right, you're gonna choose a pin. For this demonstration, I'm just gonna do 000. Then you're gonna pick 12-word recovery phrase because you're importing a Metamask account. All Metamask accounts are 12-word seed phrases. So go ahead, hit 12. Then now you're gonna start entering your seed phrase. Now, in order to get your seed phrase, what you're gonna do is go to your Metamask account. You're gonna hit right here where the colorful account button is. You're gonna hit settings. You're gonna hit security and privacy, then reveal secret recovery phrase. Then you're gonna put in your password. Then it's gonna show you your secret recovery phrase. Then you're gonna enter those words one by one on the ledger. All right, now it's processing. As you can see on the screen, the account that I'm importing actually already has 2 strong nodes inside of it. All right, it says your device is now ready. The next thing you want to do, you want to delete the Metamask extension. Reason being, because this is the only way to remove your keys from your browser. Because right now they are stored inside Metamask, and if your computer get hacked or anything like that, they can be stolen. So in order to remove that, you're just going to remove extension, remove, boom. All right. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna re-download Metamask and you're gonna make another Metamask account. Download, Chrome, install, add to Chrome, add extension. So you're gonna hit get started. You're gonna create a brand new Metamask wallet. Now, just make up a password. Now you're gonna get the wallet keys. Now, my keys are showing right here, but it doesn't matter because I'm not gonna be using these keys to sign my crypto transactions. So this wallet actually doesn't matter at all, and I'm gonna show you why in a few. All right, after you install the Ethereum app on your ledger, you're gonna open it up. Okay. Then you're gonna go over here to the Metamask extension. You're gonna click this colorful thing right here. Connect hardware wallet. Make sure you have the Ethereum app open before you do this step. Hit ledger. Hit continue. You can hit Nano S or whatever you're using if you're using the X. Connect. And you see my account right here, 5434. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit unlock. Now, what you're gonna do with your other account, because this is the unsafe account, what I like to do so I don't get them confused, is gonna click here. No. You're gonna account details. And you're gonna rename this. Don't use. So that way you know this is the account that's not safe. And then anytime you do anything, you're just gonna use your ledger account. So if I go over to StrongBlock, it's gonna say connect, there's no node here. But if I switch over to my ledger account and I hit connect wallet, Metamask. Next, connect. Boom, you're gonna see both my strong nodes. So now these strong nodes are now synced to this Ledger wallet. I can do all my transactions as regular. The only thing now is that I just have to confirm every transaction on my Ledger, and my keys are no longer stored on the internet or my computer. So if any kind of attack happens or virus, I'm still safe. Guys, you gotta remember to keep your crypto keys safe, because once they're compromised, not even a hardware wallet can help you. If you don't have a Ledger yet, check the description below. There's a link down there that's gonna get you right. It's also an affiliate link, so your boy's gonna get a little bit of a kickback. If you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, links are also in the description below. And like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about my videos. Deuce.